The European Union's top diplomat, Josep Borrell, says that any reduction of military aid to Ukraine by Germany would be bad news. The German government announced cuts to aid earlier this year after months of squabbling amongst the coalition partners. DD India's Giles Gibson has more from Brussels.
Josep Borrell weighed in on Germany's future support to Ukraine during a conference in northern Spain. As well as commenting that plans to reduce aid are, quotes, worrisome, he said that until now, without making a lot of noise, the strongest support for Ukraine has been Germany. Now, Borrell is due to step down as the EU's top diplomat later this year, with former Estonian Prime Minister Kaja Kallas in the process of being confirmed as his successor. However, even though he's in his final weeks in the job, his words do still carry some weight. In its draft budget released in July, the German government said that it will slash aid to Ukraine from about $8.5 billion this year to $4.5 billion next year. It's argued that that difference will be made up by a plan that was announced at the G7 summit earlier this year, essentially using frozen Russian assets in the West to fund Ukraine's war effort. Under that plan, Kyiv will receive a loan of $50 billion, which will be backed up by Russia's seized assets. However, at this stage, it's still unclear when that money will actually reach Kyiv. In the final statement at the end of the G7 summit in Italy, leaders pledged to issue that loan, quotes, by the end of the year. Earlier this week, German Chancellor Olaf Scholz insisted that his country, quotes, will continue to support Ukraine for as long as necessary. And while Germany has been the largest contributor of aid to Ukraine within the EU, members of the coalition have been pushing for fiscal consolidation in 2025. Giles Gibson in Brussels, reporting for DD India.